configure conversion in GA4 property. Conversion are most important action taking place on your website or app. For example, whether you want to track the number of people completing your lead form, buying a product, subscribing to your service, you need to configure a conversion. Today, we will configure a classic goal based on people doing a thank you page after completing the lead form on your website. So now, currently in my GA4 property, you are looking all the event that is automatically tracked by GA4 enhanced measurement feature. To mark this event as conversion, simply click and enable the button. For example, if I will enable the page view button, this will mean every page view will report it as a conversion. But if you want to track any specific page, then this will not work. So this is the same for other event also. If I will enable the scroll button, this means every scroll will count as a conversion. So this all and same for click. When I will enable the click button, it means every click will count as a conversion. So these all are the existing events in the Google Analytics 4. But if you want to track any specific page like thank you page as conversion, we need to track that individual page as unique event. For that, there is a two way to achieve this. So, creating a new event in a GA4 property and second to GTM. Now let's track a specific thank you page. For that, you simply need to click on a create event and then click on the create. Now I will give to the now I want to track people viewing my thank you page as separate event. So I am going to the name my event as generate lead. Now I need to configure the condition when these event to trigger. Then I will set to the parameter as page location, operator contains and value thank you. This will mean a new event will trigger every time when someone views the page on your website that the URL contains thank you. Now click on the create. After creating the event, you need to enable that event. So enabling the event, you will go to the conversion and click on the new conversion event and give the same name as you give to your custom event. Generate generate rate lead and click on the save. Now this is a custom event that we have created, and now every time when any user click on the thank you page, it will count as a conversion. So now I think all you understand how to track specific page in GA4 property. Thank you.